Right, I just wanted to put a quick video up just to explain why there's been no videos put up this past, well, over a week now, nearly 2 weeks I would think. And that's because I've been away. For the last week, or the best part of the last week, I've been down south to Bisley, the National Rifle Association's land, where we've been camping. And there's a group of us, we take a stack of stuff down there with us. And I just thought I'd put a short video up just to let you know the sort of things we've been getting up to, because it's going to take me a while to edit through now what I've got and start putting the videos of what we actually did on YouTube. But some of what we did I'll show you. You've all seen this fire pit before, and some of you may have noticed I've got the air tube on the bottom. Well, what that's for is for putting an air blower on, and this is just 2 airbed inflators run from a 12-volt battery, and you really only need one. They're quite powerful, and they turn this into a forge, so you're going to see a bit of that in operation. We run that from the 12-volt battery. We take solar panels down there with us. We take 2 big 80-watt solar panels down there with us, so we can keep the batteries charged up. We've actually got 2 of these. We've got 2 batteries, a lot of thick cable, and we take a welding helmet down there with us. So you might see us welding with car batteries. Anyway, I've just got back a couple hours ago. I'm getting everything out. We had them thunderstorms down on the news, shut down Stansted Airport because they got lightning strikes. Well, we had a lot of lightning down there, and we had heavy rain last night, so we're just drying everything out now. What else? What's this? This is the anvil we use. It's just a piece of railway line. Other activities we got up to, something I've never done up here is look for fat wood. So this is the first supply of fat wood I've ever had, so that's something I can play with. It's just like varnish. So restock up on a bit of flint, because there's flint nodules down there. I've got a little bit more than this, but I haven't dug it all out yet. And I've got this to play with, which is big horsehoof fungus, a massive horsehoof fungus, and as you can see we've already cut it in half. So I did actually start processing some tinder, boiling it in wood ash. So that's something else I can play with. So because it's going to take me a few days to get sorted out, I thought I'd better put something up just to tell you that I am still alive and kicking. The funniest thing though is I hadn't been back 15 minutes. I was just putting the kettle on and I could hear bees. Well, now we keep bees but not at home, so I was pretty sure it was bees I was hearing, a swarm of bees. And as I looked out the kitchen window, I saw a swarm at the top of the garden, all flying round. And what they were flying round was one of our empty hives we've just got stored at the top of the garden. I'll just take you up there, have a look. So we deliberately don't keep them at home for this very reason. But we do have 2 empty hives there at the top of the garden, so that one there is empty. Although there's a bee there investigating it out the other hive, because this one is no longer empty. It's getting cool, it's cooling off greatly now. So you can see there's bees flying in and out, and we've actually put some frames in, give them something to do, and we'll feed them. But that just happened as I got back. Right, I'll leave it there then, cut it short and get on with me unpacking. and then you'll see a bit more of our activities, what we got up to. With all this lot. Right, so it shouldn't be more than a few days, and I'll catch you later.